It is finally time to unbox my Hanukkah gift. Oh my god. It's huge. Whoa. It is so huge. Okay. It is my Ghibli advent calendar. And it was supposed to get here in April, and then it didn't. And yeah, I'm also Jewish, but that's fine. Oh my goodness. 24, 23. Whoa, okay. I'm gonna go through all of them. The box itself is just unreal as well. Sorry, the lighting is whatever, but it is so gorgeous. So, okay. I'm so excited. It's all Ghibli stuff. So, okay. Whisper of the Heart. A set of two beautifully hand-painted magnets featuring the Baron and Louise, a timeless pair that captures the charm and artistry of Studio Ghibli. You get all these cards. Oh my god. Louise. Sorry the lighting is so... Let me turn my brightness up and see if that... Okay. Louise. And... the Baron. I know this isn't the best lighting, but this is the setup I would have and can do. Maybe... I'm sitting on the styrofoam. Okay, that's fine. Where's number 2? Okay, 2. Oh wait, let me put this card back. I can't wait to have all my stuff out of storage too, because I have so much more Ghibli stuff. Day 2, Howl's Moving Castle. A set. Okay, I'm gonna actually unbox and then... I wanted this so bad. A set of round stained glass hanging decorations featuring Howl and Calcifer crafted in luminous glass that reflects the enchanting world of Howl's Moving Castle. Wow. Well done. I am a great fire demon, Calcifer. This is so good. That's only 2. I'm a big... Howl's is my second favorite, which I feel is pretty common. This is all handmade, by the way, which is why it's just like extra cool. Okay. 3. Oh, it's a wallet! My neighbor Totoro, a Piu, leather desk tidy, embossed with rows of cat plus mischievous grin, blending playful design, everyday usefulness with a whimsical touch of Totoro magic. I think there are a couple wallets in here. My plan is to either regift or use for business cards or something else, because I have a lot of cards. This was definitely already just like, this was a pricey gift, but clearly worth it. Oh, turnip head. Howl's Moving Castle, an embroidered bag tag featuring the cheerful scarecrow Turnip head, stitched with rich detail to bring a touch of Hal's magical world wherever you travel. I'm just putting that, like, over my bed. It's almost 100% intact, too, which I'm really grateful for. And it's got, like, a print on the back. That one I was, like, very excited for when I saw it, because I watched an unboxing first, and then I was like, that's it. Dropped it. There's no card in this one. Oh, yes, there is. Oh, it fell. Oh my god, a few. Oh my god. The cards are... Okay, 6 and 5 have fallen. But this is 5. This is Ponyo. A silk chiffon. No way. Welcome to a world where anything is possible. It's a little... You can't see it. Oh, you can, but a little tearing. Oh. That is so delightful. I do want it on my wall, or like on a window. So again, once I always say this, like, once I have a home, I miss my castle. I don't miss living in Colorado, but I do miss my castle. This is a silk chiffon scarf, adorned with ponyo and rolling waves, soft and airy as the sea itself. Lightweight and versatile, it drapes with ease, worn traditionally or wrapped around bag handles for a touch of ocean-inspired beauty. Oh! Her ramen. My sweet little girl's ramen. 6 is Ariete. Oh my god, Muta. The big fat cat. That looks like my stupid ugly tattoo. Muta. A charming set featuring a retractable tape measure inspired by Ariete's tiny world and a gleaming... Oh, this is Naya. I was thinking of The Cat's Return. Perfectly capturing a delicate magic of Studio Ghibli's smallest heroine. That's very sweet. She's a little princess. Cool. Oh. And then got it. Wow. That's cool. Okay. I like the little art cards a lot too. Okay, day 7. It's a bit stuck. Okay. Oh, wow. Where did the card go? Did the card fall somewhere? I don't know where the card went, but these are Kodamas from both Spirited Away and Totoro. And I think they're magnets. Oh, no art card there. Shoot. Oh my god, I just realized the boxes are also painted like wood. That's crazy. That's crazy. Okay. Oh, I see why this one's a little hard to get back in and out. Because of his feet. Okay, I'm not going to force that actually. And I'll leave the other one in here. Okay, 8. Totoro. It's a wooden box. Book box. Oh. Whoa. Cool. when something is inside. A little jade Totoro. Look, he's so tiny. It's so precious. It's so happy. He's a little sticky. Celebrated for its protective and harmonizing qualities, jade stones are believed to bring luck, balance, and serenity. I'll take it. The box itself is so stunning. I'm sad that there's no day 7 card. Especially because I don't know like the Kodamas, what they're from. Kiki's. Okay. Oh, we have a necklace of sorts. Necklace of Gigi. Wow. So cool. We have a Gigi necklace. A beautiful Gigi pendants and set against a bold red enamel backdrop capturing mischievous yet loyal spirit of Kiki's beloved companion, elegant and eye-catching. They even got his tail in there, which is crazy. This necklace adds a touch of character to any outfit. That is so cool. Cool box as well. Gigi. And I think her name is Princess. Lulu? Princess? I am forgetting. So I haven't rewatches here. This I'm stoked for. Oh. Look at it. I'm never burning this. Look at him. He's a candle. Look at the detailing of what he's knitting. No face Kaunashi. Some of his cheek has fallen off, but that's fine. A hand-poured candle shaped as No Face, seated quietly with knitting needles in hand, crafted in wax to capture the mysterious charm and unexpected gentleness of one of Ghibli's most iconic spirits. I just can't get over, like, the detailing of the knit. That is crazy. How does he go in here? He doesn't go in like that. Does he go in upside down? Yeah, he goes in upside down, which is good. It was like a... How does he go in? Maybe his head? How did I just grab him? Oh, yes, he was pushed forward a little. Got it. It was like a tight kind of... Yeah, okay. Cool. 11. Laputa. Oh, what am... Oh. Oh, you're lying. Should I get... I have a pin of this. Her amulet. That is such good... I always love when you get merch that's actually like what the character wore. And not just like... Is it coming undone a little? No, it's good. And not just like, I don't know, like a shirt of it or something. like when it like no, it's good. When it's like actually what they had. A wooden box shaped like an ancient book opens to reveal Sheeta's crystal, a necklace set with a polished lapis lazuli stone that echoes the mysterious beauty of Laputa's timeless magic. That's really special. That is really, really, really special to me. Castle in the Sky is just, like, it means a lot to me. Lite, oh, and it's her spell. Lite la Rita. Oh my god. That is so cool. I need to stop spoiling it for myself somehow. Okay. Next, we're gonna... Gigi! I need to find the card. I know what this is. So you take... lights up, he changes colors. I'm so happy I got a Gigi. A mystery nightlight inspired by the worlds of Studio Ghibli, softly glowing to bring a warm touch of wonder to your evenings, no matter which character shines through. I think they like Dropboxed this or something, like AliExpress sells it, and then they put like one because somebody found it online and was like, all handmade. So, and it's also causing me stress to turn it off. I'm not able to. Okay. Yeah, this one's definitely like a little cheapy, but I like it. And I'm happy I got Gigi. Okay. Another book. Howl's Moving Castle. I don't think they put earrings in here, but that'd be sick. Oh, it's a calcifer stone. What is he made out of? Oh, interesting. Interesting. I think I opened the wrong, or the card is in the wrong box. Because that's for Porco Rosso. So let's find the right one. Because this is another like book cover box. And that is for 14. Okay, so this is 14. I don't know where they're correct, but this is the Porco Rosso passport cover. But on it, so take flight with this Porco Rosso passport cover. I love this movie, featuring a bold red exterior adorned with an enamel Porco emblem and a sky blue lining pattern with the iconic plane. I love the plane scene when they all are like ascending to heaven. I wish it was like this was a wallet, but that is super cool. Okay, so I need to find the tag for 13, but oh, is it? Got it. No, 14. Oh my god, they gave me 2 Porco Rosso ones. That's fine. I think instead of in 13, they put a Porco Rosso tag in 13, but the only thing I'm curious about is what kind of stone that is for Howl's Moving Castle, because I got the wrong art card. But otherwise, we're doing good. Okay. Last one of this part. Okay. Let's put it away. Oh! Oh, it's perfect. It's got the ducks, it's got the spirits, it's got no face, it's got the bath tokens. Welcome to the bathhouse. welcome. Da 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 da. Again, cannot wait to have a home. An elegant stained glass decoration depicting No Face and the lively bathhouse spirits from Spirited Away, crafted with rich translucent hues that capture the enigmatic beauty of the spirit world. It's a tongue twister. Okay, so I'm only missing one art card and switched one other art card. Okay, so that's that part done. Also heavy. Next is this little window area here. So we're gonna look at that. Okay, it goes from the bottom up this time. This is what I was wanting the most. This is what I was waiting for. I know it looks silly to want this the most, but again, I love merch that is of the film itself, so I've been looking everywhere for you. And that's so smart because it's a mirror. And it has the Wasteland, Port Haven door. Only Master Hal knows what's behind the black door. Kingsbury. And it is a mirror. But this is heavy too. Hal's Moving Castle, a beautifully crafted mirror spinner inspired by Hal's enchanted portal. Its rotating back mimics the film's magical doorway, shifting to reveal the next destination of the moving castle. They put too many spaces between the words of and the. A keepsake that embodies the wonder of Hal's ever-changing world. Do you see the spaces? Perfect. Like, I literally, that was like this is what I want. Because y'all get Christmas gifts. This is my Hanukkah gift. Okay. Eyes closed. They didn't do anything of Earthsea so far. What else are they missing? Whoa. Very heavy Arietti thing. Just a plaque. I know one Marnie was there, but I know that's the other studio. Secret World of Arietti. A collector's metal card celebrating the Secret World of Arietti, featuring a textured gold finish logo on one side and a vivid enamel illustration of Arietti and her miniature world on the other. That I would regift. I did not care too much for Arietti. I just like there wasn't, I don't know, too much of a plot to me there. Which is fine, there's a plot in everything else. Okay, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's Kiki's radio. That is so cool. Oh, yeah, it's got a little clasp and little GGs. They really like know how to milk the cute characters. There's nothing from the boy and the hare in here, so like no wada wada yet. Is it like real leather? Like that's like, I don't have anything leather. Kiki's iconic red radio crafted in a compact PU leather. What is PU leather? Case with a detachable strap. It captures the nostalgic design with playful details, an accessory that captures the timeless charm of Kiki's delivery service. It's a case. I don't know what I'm going to put in there. Maybe the gems. That would be a good thing. Okay. Oh my god. Oh no. It's ripped. Or it's meant to be like that. Okay, it's not ripped. It's just a weird little edge. It has a weird edge. I thought it was going to be like a strap that like closes the cover. But this is a Kiki's journal. I was just thinking today I need a journal because I really have been doing a bad job of like journaling personally. And a gorgeous, gorgeous pen with roses and flowers and potions. Just remember, she is a witch. And let's see what kind. It's looking like a ballpoint pen. I've got the red tip on it. I'm not taking that off yet. Wow, that is sensational. It's like so much merch. Okay, luckily it is not broken. I would have loved it regardless, but it was just, it's a weird edge. And Gigi, when he was captured, it really could have been a series of a movie. Like, it felt like so episodical in the film. A desk set inspired by Kiki's delivery service featuring Gigi in elegant detail. The emerald green notebook, beautiful, showcases a beautifully embossed design of Gigi, framed by Ivy, while the coordinating pen is adorned with a vibrant, whimsical Gigi pattern accented in gold. Oh, yes. Ivy leaves up top. Ivy, fun fact, is full of saponins, so you can take Ivy, you can boil it safely, always be safe, English Ivy, and have a soap, a cleansing soap. And then if you were to take something that has saponins internally, it would be cleansing for the blood. But don't eat soap if you can help it. Okay. 22. Oh, yay! Yay! Totoro. Totoro, Totoro. My neighbor Totoro. A tea light candle. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, okay. I'm gonna scream. You put your candle in here, and you put Totoro here. Oh my god, that is beyond precious. The Soot Sprite candle is really just out of this world, like, take all my money. This is so unbelievably cute and sweet. One yellow flower. Because if this is handmade, like, y'all, this is so, so sweet. I'll have to figure out, like, the correct way to put it back in the box, I guess. But that is so... I would eat those Soot Sprites. Not the Soot Sprites, the candies. I like that they're star-shaped there, and because, like, in the film, they're more like many point stars rather than just like the 5-point. Yeah, complete with a beautiful stained glass Totoro panel that slots into place in a Soot Sprite tea light to glow within, a cozy keepsake that lights up the room with the Ghibli magic. I love Ghibli magic. Someday I'll go to the Ghibli Museum. I actually don't want to get rid of anything. I know I thought I was going to want to, but I don't want to. Okay, the final two, they live up in this part. I don't know what they are. More stained glass, I don't know. Howl's Moving Castle, thank God. If I could get it out. Okay. I remember now. it's adjustable, but it fits. Wait, sorry. I know what I'm doing. A gleaming ring inspired by Hal's own, set with a deep barcolite ruby at its heart. Elegant and mysterious, it carries magic of hidden doors and untold treasures. Okay, I can stretch it a little bit, but I know she like wears it on that finger. I can't fit it on that finger, and I don't really want to mess around with it, but I know she like has it higher, but luckily it fits my ring finger so perfectly. Oh my god. And it's kind of one of those things where I'd ask someone about it, and then like, unless they wore it here, I don't know that I would recognize it. Wow. Wow, I wonder if in the past they did his other jewelry based on the card. This is so, so special. I forgot what was in this calendar. I don't know what it's made out of, but a ruby. Like, honestly, okay, fits really perfectly on my thumb. And my ring finger, this one, but I would be kind of nervous actually about it on that finger. Okay, we're in our final moment, my friends. We are at the last one. I'm gonna ask this for every Hanukkah. Okay. A cord. It's a light up box for the robot. A beautifully crafted wooden light box featuring Lapita's gentle robot guardian set in stained glass. When lit, it glows with a serene green radiance, capturing the timeless wonder of the floating castle in the sky. I don't have like a... Yes, I do. Okay. We're migrating. Oh my god, I was like sitting on styrofoam. Okay. Oh wow, it's so bright. Look at that. It's so bright. Oh my goodness. What the heck? Okay. Wait, can you see it? POV. Okay, that's awesome. Wow. Wow. Okay, that is awesome. That is everything. I've been waiting since December for this. My boy. I have a planter of him. I love him so deeply. This was incredible. This was so cool. I think I saw like the year before and I liked it, but this year is really just sensational. Again, cannot wait to have home to put anything in. Overall, A++. Like, I don't care that the card is... that like the 13 card is missing. I will literally just look up what the card was supposed to be for Calcifer, little Calcifer stone, day 13. I think I was missing maybe one other card, but it might be in here somewhere. At some point I will go through all of it in like a real deeper way. But this is hard, this one. Maybe I just leave it out so I don't damage it, but very precious to me. If you watched this, thank you. I don't post. But yeah, Okay. I hope you have a beautiful day. This is from the company Kinda Kawaii. So that's where I was gifted from, Kinda Kawaii. And they should be releasing another one next year, hopefully. It's wild they don't run out of ideas. Like, they did well. The wallet, I wish the Porco Rosso wallet, passport was a wallet, and the Totoro, I wish that was maybe a passport one, but it makes so much more sense that you're flying with a passport wallet, so, or with a Porco Rosso passport, so, yes, awesome. I hope you have a beautiful day, and see you whenever.